Here we go, JonX's box of 11/12 limited. Start off with an Eric Carlson base. Eric Carlson, you want to close the door, Crystal? Henri Richard, Stanley Cup champion, number to 199. Banner season, number to 299 of Ryan Kessler. Ryan Kessler, banner season. Number to 299, Phenoms rookie auto, Adam Larson. Got 2 boxes for you to bust. Adam Larson.
Cool.
Yeah. Number to 99, I believe. Yeah. Pekka Rinne, base jersey. Pekka Rinne. Triple jersey. Boo, terrible team. Number to 99, Zetterberg, Datsuk Franzen.
Let's go, Red Wings.
And a on retired numbers, number to 199. Sorry, number to 49. Bobby Clark. There we go.